Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious, easy pan-fried potato recipe. Stay tuned. So we're going to start this video off by giving our potatoes a nice little wash. You want to make sure you remove all that extra dirt. All right guys, so now we're just going to drain the water off and then cut our potatoes into some nice little, bite-sized pieces. All right guys, so like I said earlier, we're just going to cut our potatoes. So we're just going to cut them into some medium-sized, bite-sized pieces. And we're just going to boil our potatoes for about 10 minutes or until they are nice and tender, nice and soft. Not too soft, not mushy, but tender enough, and then we're going to saute them with some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of rosemary, a little butter, and we should be good. At this point, we're going to add some salt, a little bit of salt to the water. After you add your salt, add your potatoes. And like I said, we're just going to boil for about 10 minutes. Yes, guys, so the potatoes are good to go. I've been cooking them for about 10 minutes. They are nice and tender. You want to turn your stove to about a high heat. Add a little bit of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. Add your potatoes. After you add your potato, you're going to add your Cajun seasoning. That's 1 tablespoon of Cajun. Oh my God. That is spicy, guys. Woo! So, the aroma, oh my God, wow. Yes. Wow. That is that's crazy. Yes. Add a little bit of oil, a little bit more oil. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So you want to fry your potatoes for about a few minutes until they are nicely charred, nicely golden brown, a little bit of darkness to it, and you should be good to go. It's crazy smoky right now. It's like I'm choking. Yes, the aroma from the actual, spices, from the Creole seasoning is crazy right now. Yes, guys. Wow. This is how it's looking right now. Yeah. I'll show you the finished product in a minute. Yes, guys, time for that taste test. As you can see, this is a super easy recipe to make at home. You should definitely check it out. I'm gonna take a bite real quick. This is good. The Cajun Creole seasoning gave it a nice little saltiness to it. It's not like over salty or anything, but just a nice little flavor, nice little kick, a little spice. It's good. And the herb flavor from the rosemary, is another kicker as well. Nice flavor booster to it. So definitely check it out, guys. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment, share. Leave a comment, share the video. Subscribe. If you're not yet a subscriber. Peace.